Hi, I'm AP. Welcome to my channel. Click here and subscribe. Now we are going to use the application of EE Review or the ultimate app EE Electrical Engineer. So now we are going to answer this quiz, electrical engineer exam and master electricians exam. So in electrical engineer exam there are three subjects: the mathematics, engineering sciences, and allied subjects, and electrical engineering. And in the master electrician exam there are technical and Philippine electrical code. So now we are going to take a quiz in the mathematics. So in the mathematics there are six subjects. There are or branches of mathematics: the algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, applied math, and advanced math. So let's get started. Your first answer is algebra. So if a plus b sub 2 is equals to 5 and a minus b2 is equals to 45, then a2 plus b2 is equals to 45. The closure property of numbers is not satisfied by the set of all integers under the operation of division. The correct answer is division. How many consecutive numbers beginning with 5 must be taken for their sum to be equal to 25? So that's the correct answer is 10. If x, y, and 5x are three consecutive items of an arithmetic progression whose sum is 81, find x. Number 9. Find the term free of x in the expansion of x squared minus x to the negative 1 power and all over to the power to the 9th power. So show result. So my final score is 10. So there are quotes here: you may never know what results come of your action, but if you do nothing there will be no result, according to Mahatma Gandhi. So back to quiz. Only two I get two correct. Mathematics. So next is trigonometry. The point of intersection of the medians of a triangle is called centroid. The correct answer is centroid. Evaluate sine 0 degrees plus sine 1 degrees plus sine 2 degrees plus and so on until to sine 90 degrees all over cosine 0 degrees plus cosine 1 cosine 2 plus until cosine 90 degrees. So the answer is 1. So good job. Next, 12 round holes are bored through a square piece of steel plate. Their centers are equally spaced on the circumference of a circle 80 cm in diameter. Find the distance between the centers of two consecutive holes. So the correct answer is 4.66 cm. Find the area of a spherical triangle on the surface of a sphere of radius 10, where A is equals to 140 degrees 30 inches 30 feet, B is equals to 70 degrees 15 feet, and C is equals to 116 degrees and 45 feet. Show result. So I have my score is 5, only 5. So there are holes here. Strength of mind is exercise, not rest, according to Alexander Pope. Back to quiz menu. Next is the geometry. Find the point where the line through the points 3, -1, 0, and 1, 3, 4 versus the xz plane. The correct answer is 2.5, 0, and 1. Transform p sine gamma sine theta tan theta tangent theta equals pi to rectangular coordinates. The answer is y squared is equals to 5x. Determine b so that x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0, and x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus by plus 2 is equal to 0 are orthogonal. So the correct answer is 14/3. Write the equation of the line with x-intercept -6 and y-intercepts 3. So the correct answer is x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. Show result. So his final score is 5. Quote here: few minds wear out, most rust out, according to Christian Bovee. Back to quiz menu. Mathematics again. And next is calculus. Evaluate the limit of ln 1 minus x all over x as x approaches 0. So the correct answer is -1. A ball is thrown vertically upward from a roof 112 feet above the ground. The height s of the ball above the roof is given by the equation s equals to 96t minus 16t squared, where s is measured in feet and the time t is calculate its velocity when it strikes the ground. The answer is -128 fps. Next is find the equation of the tangent line to the curve x cubed plus y cubed equals 9 at the given point 1, 2. So the correct answer is x plus 4y is equals to 9. The function y is equals to fx has a maximum value of x equals to f2 0 and f2 is show result. Final score again is 5. Procrastination is the thief of time, according to Edward Young. Back to quiz menu, mathematics, then applied math. How many arrangements can be made from the letters of word transients when all are taken at a time? Answer is 453,600. Next, what is the probability that a coin will turn up heads twice in 6 tosses of the coin? The correct answer is 15/64. A die is tossed 8 times. What is the probability of tossing 5 and 6 twice? The correct answer is 0.064. The number of minutes a girl spent in making 6 phone calls was 8, 3, 8, 9, 11, 15, and 20 minutes. Find the mean number of calls. 11 minutes. Show result. 5 final score. 5 again. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity, according to Albert Einstein. So last is advanced math. A baseball diamond is a square whose sides are 20 feet long. If a batter hits a ball and runs to first base at the rate of 20 feet per second, how fast is his distance from second base changing when he has run 50 feet? So the correct answer is -80 all over square root of 97. What theorem is used to solve for centroid? Postal regulations require that the sum of the length and girth of a rectangular package may not exceed 108 inches. The girth is the perimeter of an end of the box. What is the maximum volume of a package with square ends that meets his criteria? answer is 11,664 cubic inches. What is the Laplace transform of e negative 4t? There is correct answer is 1 all over s plus 4. A tank contains 200 liters of fresh water. Brine containing 2 kg per liter of salt enters the tank at the rate of 4 liters per minute, and the mixture kept uniform by stirring runs out at 3 liters per minute. Find the amount of salt in the tank after 30 minutes. Answer is 196.99 kg. Given vectors A is equals to I plus 2j and B is equals to 3I minus 2j plus k, find the angle between them. Answer is 6,865 degrees. The triangle with the minimum perimeter, which may be inscribed in another triangle, is called a pedal triangle. Is correct. Sure result. I have 20 score. So we are all faced with a series of great opportunities, brilliantly disguised as impossible situations, according to Charles Swindoll. Back to Wismino. So that's all for today. Next topic will be the engineering science challenge subjects and electrical engineering and other matters. That's all. Thank you, and click here to subscribe my channel.